Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, everyone. Good morning, lovers of freedom. Good morning, people of Biafra. Thank you all for clicking today. Or Adibu Negu, Ada Biafra. Yes, I have come again today to share this good news with you all. And this good news is talking about the release of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Yes, of course, they have to release him. They have to release him because what he's fighting for is for his freedom and the freedom of the people. We don't have any good hospital, no good road, no good school, no good education in our land. They should see the reason why Biafra are fighting for this freedom. They should not stop it. It's better for them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu than to leave him there. You know why? Chukwu Okike Abiama, Jehovah Israel, the King of the kings, the only one who has all things in his hand, the only one who has all power in his hand, not in our own power, not in our own mind, not in our own strength, but the power of the Almighty. He said he is the giant of Biafra. Jehovah El Shaddai, mighty Redeemer, the King of glory, ancient of days, the Lion of Judah, or the Mego Judah. Onye kenine no nakaya chi anke poro mi henene. Ose na ya bo the giant of Biafra. So whether they like it or not, Biafra is free. So it's better for them to release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu than to leave him there. And he said, touch not my anointed. Hey! So let them know that even Jehovah himself is seeing everything that is going on. And at the same time, they need to respect the human's right. I don't know what Human Rights Writers Association of Nigeria is doing. Because what they're doing to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is violation of the human rights. As I read, the preamble of the UN's declaration specifies that the basic right of humans should be protected by the rule of law, and that all members of the human family are granted these equal and inalienable rights, which form the foundation of freedom, justice, and peace in the world, much like the United States Declaration of Independence and similar documents throughout history. The Universal Declaration of Human Rights universally protects fundamental human rights and lays down the obligation of government to act when rights are violated, which they have violated the right of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. It's better for them to do something now and release him than leaving him there. It's not going to do any good for them. Because they know that people are fighting for their freedom because of what is going on around the country. They know better. It's better for them to do what is right and set the people free. There are a lot of people that are holding in captivity that did not do anything. All those people that were doing peaceful protection, peaceful protests, Actually, what they are crying at is to protect their people. They should set them free. Freedom is now, because Biafra is free. And all these things that Jehovah Israel Chukwokikabiam is revealing, he's saying it because Biafra is free. He said there is no two ways about it. If you like, you can doubt it as much as you want to doubt it. But he said Biafra is free. Whether they like it or not, it is time for Biafra. If they are not saying it, they should check very well. There is no need massacring people everywhere. It's not going to do them any good. Rather, they will regret it. Let them stop the atrocities they're doing and do what is right. It's better for them to act now and set this man free. He's not owing them anything. He is fighting for the betterment of the people. He is fighting for the protection of the people. He is fighting for the right of the people, even those that are holding him. Check their places, check their village, check their houses. What do they have? Nothing. No good road, no hospital, no good education. Check their families. Maybe now they're giving them mfomfojuaba just to hold Onyaka Yadocha. What would they gain from it? And they know all the things that are happening in the land that are not right. And you think people will be sitting just looking at them like that, looking at comment like that, looking at whoever like that? No, enough is enough. Enough is enough. Bad government, bad leaders is not how to save the people. It's not how to save the people. Let them do something right and set him free. Release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu now. And like I said, Biafra is free. Whether they like it or not, Biafra is free. Biafra is free, says the Lord of hosts. Thank you all. Thank you for listening, and you all remain blessed. Bye-bye.